Hello! In this video I will tell you about firearms from our asset hero entry. You can find firearms in military heroes, cyberpunk heroes and western heroes, but there are no firearms in fantasy heroes. Firearm contains 4 parts: sprite atlas, sound, animation and scripts. You can find sprites, for example, under military heroes, sprites, equipment, firearms folders. For example, let's open a shotgun sprite. A sprite atlas has generic layout that is the same for all firearms. Some layout parts may be empty. For example, a rifle has no separate faststock that shotgun has. Each firearm has a set of sounds. The sound depends on firearm type. Firearm animations are located under Upper Animation folder. For example, here is shotgun animation. Note that some animation effects like cartridge case drop and recoil are made with scripts. There are 4 main scripts related to firearm behavior: firearm, firearm reload, firearm fire, and weapon control. Scripts are also used to describe firearms. Firearm params contains all generic params. Some specific params are stored in meta field. For example, only shotgun have spread parameter defined in meta. Firearm collection script located on the main scene contains all firearm definitions. Let's change spread value and shot sound for shotgun.